Today we're talking about the Stargaze Evo-X. Right here, just easy open. We've got this little roll top, roll it 3 times to keep it kind of waterproof, sealed up. You just simply take this thing out of the bag, throw that to the side, plop it, and set it up. And this thing's ready as easy as that. One of the big things down here that you really do want to pay attention to is when setting this chair up, you can see there are some red tabs right here that just say pull to close. And then you just want to make sure that's fully locked out. You kind of hear it click in, and as soon as you are not seeing any of the red, you're good to sit down. So this chair is called the Stargaze. It's meant for just sitting back, reclining, gazing at the sun. You know, it's kind of like a hammock, really comfortable chair. Beefy nylon straps. This thing weighs 14 pounds as the chair itself, and it has a carrying capacity of 300 pounds. So it's a pretty beefy chair. It can handle a pretty heavy weight. You can see here, I've got a beer for sitting, chilling out. It's got another pocket over here. Maybe I toss my phone in there. Beautiful chair. Cool, so we've talked about what this chair is used for, but yeah, as you sit down into it, again, we've got 2 pockets here on the sides. It reclines back simply by just pushing back into those straps. Super easy, you don't have to mess with anything. You can just hang out. Like, I've got my legs up. Yeah, just a great, simple recliner. Here on the back side, like we said, this is just a really easy chair. It says pull up to close, pull up to close. You just grab this guy here. Make sure that locking pin pops out. Close up the chair. Make sure it's flipped over here. And that's it. So again, pretty easy to set up and tear down. And then when you want to, again, take it out, you heard that click there. So as long as there's not red here or here, you are safe to sit down. Super simple, really beefy camp chair. And then when you're ready to take it all down there, again, like I said, just pull up, have it all centered here. Flip the bottom of the chair so it's on the top. Grab this chair here, flip it upside down, take this top loading bag here and just simply roll it down over the bag. Nice and easy. You can see it plops in there, super simple. Whenever you get these roll top bags, it's always good to enclose these at least like 2 or 3 times. You know, 3 times gives it that nice waterproofing nature. So boom, 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 3 rolls, clip it. And then another nice feature, you've got a handle here, which is kind of like a briefcase. So if you want to carry it just like that, pretty nice. But then you've got the over the shoulder strap as well, which makes it super easy to hold if you got your hands full of other stuff for barbecue or while you're hanging out with the kiddos. So yeah, super easy setup, super easy tear down, really comfortable chair. Can't complain, pretty awesome. If you want to pick this chair up, you can head on over to our website at ridgeandriver.com and use the code YouTube10 for 10% off of your purchase of anything on our website. Let us know which chair you're rocking around the campfire. Love to chat down in the comments. And again, thank you so much for watching. Have fun out there, stay comfortable, and we'll catch you in the next video. Later.